Badwam Ahosepe special Christmas edition. When you see what takrade so there. I was seeing a gospel molele nkomo. The one and only most beautiful Newman. And I have a stories through pictures. Obetonyum kakra ni aka stories kakra na ati. Mami, pacho memo akwa Badwam TV.
Oh, Sandy me dance every.
Mami secret no who I fed do secret be ane me nche na me so me ngini te say I want to be like you.
Oh, Sandy, secret be enyo. Oh, yeah, Adom.
Oh yeah, Adumo.
Yesu na Adumo. Adumo, Yesu na Adumarako. Oh, yeah, Adumo.
Mommy, pictures. Where is it? Yeah, it's a music video, no?
Recent one video me yawe Makuma Shama. And you know me check them picture. My po me nyi mo si wo ye twepo. But mo hu yan do that social media.
We have video now, no, we say, why if I do me any crow?
Yeah.
And this one.
So much 4 years ago.
4 years.
Yeah, 4 years ago. And so me go Morocco Kromuna. Eja. Me a photographer we no chum.
That's daddy.
That's daddy.
Daddy social media almost of 73. And I'm somebody more. Yeah, yeah, can't age. I don't know more. How old do you think daddy is?
Daddy is 73.
Social for it. You are right. This is historic. Wow. Yeah, by na lisi way Esakosi Japan.
Yeah, I am going for Kadamas Agosia.
We pass a year being with President Kofo.
Yeah, actually, Kakao. Say, Jay Bank. Oh, yeah, it's an honor. Yeah, was a mommy.
That time, not for a president.
Like for no president, no mom, them honor no.
What people don't know is we a dancer. Or when him there, I wear Esa.
Yeah, so I think that after me too, Ghana, anthem, no. I think after that, me them award.
Mommy still moves no ewa na there. Wire.
Moves don't to me feel because or you inbuilt.
Nah, no tell mom some few Christmas Michael Jackson moves be.
Just I mean, she's a mini and you more kick me.
There, Samuel could talk bonyo, me draw na nyom why raise na mami. Am I na yeah.
Papa policeman. I don't know whether you might know your fun Nana from Pond, COP Nana from Pond, because Strong which just recently, Anna, me who I was so excited in the miniature picture.
Means through the music, we share a titany bebre.
Oh, yes. I mean, Adom, yeah.
Thank God. Mommy still me preparing you na child na se kakra. I'm na say you see a music video now.
Yeah, you see a music video, no. You see a music video, but yeah, my birthday.
Quite one. No.
Yeah, me 62 years na muche.
Wow.
Yeah.
62?
Yeah, na year 63. 63 years na muche.
It's like you are aging backwards.
It's 59. 59 my birthday na muche.
59, 62, 63.
63, 62.
Wow.
But Mrs. Yet birthday na COVID. It's me yeah. Baby, yeah, COVID. It's my issue.
Na mami pasho ye.
Recently, I'm in a manager Kuchubi.
Wow.
Pictures, yeah. May hobby a picture, taking pictures. Yeah.
There's this historic picture here. It's calling.
My first born and the third born, the second born.
Hana kahwa.
I don't know.
No, you're my. Wow. And year Hana Nukun.
Nukun snow.
There's a red no.
You're no Krobino word nache. It's more than 20 years.
Wow. Mama fit it in our life, no, the epe.
Life needs a word warm.
A warm mujum. He was style there, whatever pambishe at the Amaz.
Oh, yeah.
You never fear bear.
Oh, maybe this saw a video. Mamma, can you your video in a muche?
Hey, mommy, I'm not ready. I say, oh, mommy, freestyle. I say, still. Oh, you are. Yeah, mommy, still, mommy will move now. Great. Hey. Have you seen a Newman dancing before? When was that mommy Amy Sada? Did you know she was a dancer and she's still a dancer? Mommy, fat or mom? Hey, go, mommy. Go. Mommy, my moves. My moves. Hey. Hey. Mommy, if I did this, shum. If I did this, shum. Wow. Hey. Where you Amy the dancer? Yeah, Monko, or recordo, or recordo, or recordo, or recordo. Wow, mommy, that was a good one.
My exercise.
That's so.
I saw it when you saw.
No, that I didn't put I restrict.
No, sometimes we catch and go away me music video. Mr. Hammond pair. Then when you're for baby Michiwasa because I saw now because when you saw the dad. It's been paid dancers for my videos.
Wow, it's mommy, I'm share. Hana nini kunu we nkwala no hwan nkwala bremu any this very one ketwa we say.
He is second born no. And pictures no doors since you into me on yini na mpom famba. I say yeah.
Na we no.
Ne ye otumfo na mukun ye adwuma bi wo Kumasi. Menhia ho nye menhia ho po oye one obi one bakado one ba ehon mu mama zinamba but ehon okesi obi ne dan ho na ba ho no nyintwe.
Wow. What is majesty? Otumfo say to ababio nana pia ho nkwaso. Wow. That's a great family and these are the boys where you got the man.
Pocho mranyi.
It's first, second.
Jeremiah, only your third born, no fourth born, in the seventh born, in the eighth born, in the Joshua.
Is that your last born?
Your last born.
Last baby. Wow. Picture your hobby. You try kakra me why for I mean chakra.
If you're kakra na me try picture.
Yeah. Girls nini.
Yeah, na ASU yeah. So me 59 years no.
Well, yeah, 59 is hot. It's really hot. Wow. You're beautiful. I mean, where are our girls now?
Girls, no. First, second, and I'm number 5.
Okay.
And so one over here, one over 4.
The 4 girls.
The 4 girls, you know. A number 4. Okay. And your number 6, sorry. Number 6, first born, second born, fifth born, sixth born.
Wow. Well, that means a family photo, all the family.
In your family, yeah, I check. HA is more than 22 years.
22 years. But I made the Judah no original.
They want the Judah no original, so as a cry. Yeah.
Oh, this is beautiful. And so, how bit me actually first born, second because be our house.
Okay. And say a first born,
Okay.
second born, third born, fourth born, fifth, sixth, seventh, Judah, and the 8th.
Wow.
Joshua.
Wow. Names, yeah.
Grandchildren.
The
first granddaughter, and your first granddaughter. But what my from away actually what also crisis I don't know. Oh my goodness.
It's way I'm zooming say I'm for the same.
Second born number.
Oh, the picture being so shady a day.
My from an engagement. First born in engagement. And I'm not dead in a yet here. And some men are called no dominant.
Wow, this is beautiful. Auntie Amy Newman back also shady.
Only Jeremiah, the third born.
Auntie Amy Newman, I better what to say, no, they are called tall. I mean, family.
What's with that? When you are Japan, because it's like when you in that, you know, and so it's a surprise to me there. If you are free, we will pay more. So I told you that next year, a year of honor, no, I feel so honored to have you people with me. There, what better crowd no when Jamaica, we bo pemu da refim na, and when Suhara so I'm an interviewer. I mean, oh yes, so much for me, so much, and I'm very, very, very appreciative.
Mama, yes, we are on national television. So what's your say, Joe Flowers? You've done an amazing job for the gospel industry. We are one good role model. You're sure. I mean, we are so perplexed. Say, looking at your age, you are very decent. Uhunya sem empebo trouble Joe enye ni manyama o social no. Mommy, what's your say? O de man fa flower na baba. O de man fa eima. O man fa eima. Mommy, Joe Flower. Now, no, the ever to your crona, ya pon, Yamawina fish, ya pa. Oh,
Atasifa na wobeyi wayo abarametasi metu ya masida kawai owechi nya sidebio inti sawabu wa mama yeyeza eje wasidenyo obatan pay wa yeyenyo atasifa na wobeyi wayawai abarametasi eja metu ya masida kawai owechi nya sidebio inti sawabu wa mama yeyeza eje wasidenyo obatan pay wa yeyenyo